फर्स्ट मैच जुड़ने के लिए and also thanks to you. This is the first ball of this first evening and this is given no ball. Sam Muzammil match किसको है? This is match between TLC Tangmarak versus Warriors. This is under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground and this is a live broadcast from Tulbagh ground of Chukar Kunzar. Sam Muzammil, thank you for watching this live stream. अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए कि आपको वॉइस कैसी आ रही है और आपको वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है. This is good shot played by the batsman Inayat Bashir for his first four. This is first four of this evening and first four for Inayat Bashir and first four for TLC Tangmarak. With this four, the score goes on 5 runs. Abid Sofi is on his bowling mark to the batsman Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir, he is on 4 runs. This is T20 Super Cup tournament played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. At present, the two teams are TLC Tangmarak versus Warriors. Sam Muzammil, voice is nice. Thank you, Sam Muzammil, for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with Danish Nazir Saab. Inayat Bashir, he is on a strike. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is Abid to Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir plays another good shot for another 4. This is the second 4 for Inayat Bashir and second 4 for that TLC Tangmarak. And this is good batting. And this is impressive by Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir score. He moves on 8 runs. He just faced 3 deliveries. With this score, the score is 9 runs on board. This is a T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams today, they are TLC Tangmarak versus Warriors. TLC won the toss and they decided to bat first. This is the first hour of this inning. The score on board is 9 runs. Inayat Bashir, he is on strike. Abid Sofi, he is on his bowling mark. Inayat Bashir, he is on strike. Abid on his bowling mark to Inayat Bashir. And this is missed by the batsman. This is a dot delivery, no run. Tausif Ali, Inayat Bashir, Zabardast player. Thank you Tausif Ali साहब for watching this live stream. Inayat Bashir, Zabardast player कहने के लिए और आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए आपका बहुत ही शुक्रिया. और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे इधर आबिद सोफी to Abid Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir played and take the two batsmen a single. एक रन चुरा कर स्कोर जो है वो 10 रन बिना कोई विकेट गंवाए. This is the first hour of this evening. Now Zahid Loan, he is on strike now. TLC Tangmarak opted to bat first and they won the toss. After toss when they opted to bat after 4 deliveries, the score on board is 10 runs. Now Abid Sofi to Zahid and Zahid, this is a very good shot taken by the fielder of Warriors and this is the first wicket for Warriors and TLC Tangmarak, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Zahid Loan. Zahid Loan goes on duck. This is first wicket for TLC. They lost their first wicket and they have only 10 runs on board. Tausif Ali, wicket aane wala hai. Mir Wasim, very nice. Thank you Mir Wasim sir for watching this live stream. Thank you very much for your support. You also supports me. Thank you Mir Wasim sir. Umar Mushtaq, Babar Azam, Zahid Loon. Thank you Umar Mushtaq sir for watching this live stream. तौफीक अली, विकेट आने वाला है. तौफीक अली विकेट तो आ चुका है सिर्फ 10 रन बोर्ड पे और एक विकेट जाहिद के शेप में. Zahid Loan is out on duck. This is the first wicket TLC lost and they have only 10 runs on board. Now the batsman, new batsman, he is on crease. He is Samit Bashir. Samit Bashir is new batsman. He is on strike. Mir Wasim, so cute voice aapki. Thank you Mir Wasim sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. Tawfiq Ali, मैंने पहले ही बोला था. Thank you Tawfiq Ali sir for tell me before this that they lost their first wicket and they have only 10 runs on board. after 5 deliveries. This is the first over of this inning. Now the new batsman on crease is Samit Bashir, is the new batsman. Sajjad Mushtaq, assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh for your support, Sajjad Mushtaq Saab. Keep support, keep share this live stream with your friends. Thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you. And this is the last delivery of this first over of this inning. The score on board is 10. Samit Bashir, he is not on strike, plays a shot but cannot take a single. This is dot, no run. The score remains on 10 after 1 over complete of this first inning. Danish Nazir, Junaid Riyaz Shahaz. Junaid Riyaz, I don't know about that. Danish Nazir Saab for watching this live stream. And thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is a T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Today's match is between TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. After TLC Tangmarg win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 1 hour, the score on board is 10 run and they lost their first wicket. Now, Inayat Bashir, he is on strike now. The new bowler, he is on Junaid Pathan, he is on his bowling mark too. The batsman, Inayat Bashir, and this is a dot delivery, no run. Kashmiri Bhai, love you bro. Thank you Kashmiri Bhai for watching this live stream, and you also supports me. Thank you for watching this. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is the Junaid Pathan, the new bowler, and he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir, he is on 9 runs and he faced just 5 deliveries. Now he is on strike. Junaid to the batsman Inayat Bashir. And Inayat Bashir plays another good shot, but at the end it is good fielding by the fielder of Warriors, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the individual score of Inayat Bashir is 10 run, and with this single the score is 11 on board and they lost 1 wicket. Danish Nazir, Tanveer Rashid, thank you for watching this live stream. Junaid Ahmad Bhatt, Inayat Hiti over out. Thank you for and this is another good shot played by the batsman Samit Bashir. This is first 4 for Samit Bashir, and with this 4 the score moves on 15 runs and they lost 1 wicket. TLC, they have on board 15 runs and they lost 1 early wicket. Thank you for watching. This is Junaid to Samit Bashir. Samit Bashir, and another wicket for TLC Tangmarg. This is the second wicket. This is the second wicket for TLC in the shape of Samit Bashir. Samit Bashir lost their wicket on only 4 runs. A very good delivery by the bowler Junaid Pathan. Junaid Pathan takes his first wicket. This is second wicket for TLC Tangmarg. And not well played by the batsman Samit Bashir. This is a good delivery. And he takes his first wicket. This is second wicket for TLC Tangmarg. Now the score on board is 15 and lost 2 early wickets. Ramiz Raja, enjoy in Tulbagh. Thank you Ramiz Raja for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the new batsman on crease is Danish Khan. Danish Khan is the new batsman, and on his bowling mark Junaid Pathan to the new batsman Danish Khan. The score remains on 15 and they lost their early 2 wickets. It is Sahil, sir, network issue. Network issue is always here. I am sorry for that. Thank you. It is Sahil Saab for watching this, for your support. Keep share this live stream, and you can also watch this on my YouTube channel. This is Junaid Pathan on his bowling mark to the new batsman Danish Khan. Majid Billah, thank you Majid for watching this live stream. Thank you for your love. This is Junaid to the batsman Danish. Danish plays a good shot for his, and this is good shot, and this is 4. The first 4 for Danish Khan. With this 4, the score goes on 19 and they lost 9 wickets. TLC Tangmarg, they need a partnership here. They need good partnership because they lost their early 2 wickets and they have only 19 runs on board. Danish Nazir, thank you. Junaid Riyaz ko aana chahiye. Thank you Danish Nazir sahab. This is Junaid to Danish Khan. Danish Khan, this is all boys. Junaid Riyaz को आना चाहिए था. Ishfaq Dar, love you Jigar Bilal bhai. Thank you Ishfaq Dar sahab for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is the T20 Super Cup Under 19 tournament played at Chukatulbagh ground. The two games are today. They are TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. And first TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decide to bat first. After 2 hours, the score on board is only 23 runs and they lost their 2 early wickets. Ishfaq Dar, love you, cheer Bilal. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Ishfaq Dar Saab, Maujid Bilal bhai, big band, that band. Thank you, Mohit Bilal. Thank you. Bilal bhai, big fan. Thank you, Ishfaq Dar, love you. And this is new. This is good shot played by the batsman Inayat Bashir for 6. Huge 6. And good shot played by Danish Khan. This is the first 6 of this inning and first 6 for TLC Tangmarg. With this score 6, the score goes on 29 runs and they lost 2 wickets. Ishfaq Dar, love you, Jigar. Thank you, Ishfaq Dar, for this love for this sport. Keep share this live stream and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Ishfaq Dar on this live broadcast. Bilal Saab, Allah ko salamat rakhe aur kamyabi. Thank you, Ishfaq Dar Saab, for your blessing, for your love, and keep share, keep support always, and you always support me. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulbagh ground. Today's 2 teams are TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. First, TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 2.1 hours, the score on board for TLC Tangmarg is 23-29 and they lost 2 wickets. Tawfiq Ali, opposite team kahan ki hai? And this is multiple team. They have now Warriors. Abu Musa, zone thoda okay karo. Thank you. And right now, this is zooming. आप ज़रूर अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए कि आपको क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और वॉइस कैसी आ रही है. थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग दिस. Abu Musa, zoom thoda. Thank you and keep share this live stream with your friends. Now Abu Sofi on his bowling work to Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir plays a good shot, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on to 32 runs and they lost their 2 early wickets. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बोलिए आपको क्वालिटी और वॉइस कैसी आ रही है. आप सबका शुक्रिया इस मैच को देखने के लिए, इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देखने के लिए. दिस इज आबिद सोफी ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन दानिश खान. अभी मूसा, आप ठीक है भाई. थैंक यू मूसा साहब. दिस इज एट द एंड वेरी गुड फील्डिंग by the fielder of Warriors and dot, no run. The score remains on 32 and they lost 2 wickets. Inayat Bashir, he's on his non-strike and he's on 19. Danish Khan, he's on 4 runs. आवाज भी ठीक और वीडियो भी अच्छी आ रही है. Thank you Abu Mohsin साहब. And this is another good delivery by Abid Sofi. Thank you Abu Mohsin saab for watching this, for your support. Wani Akif watching from Bahrampura. Thank you Wani Akif saab for watching this live stream and keep share this, keep support this Facebook channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is this is a dot delivery after 3 hours. The score on board is 32 and they lost their early 2 wickets. Wani Akif saab इसके लिए शुक्रिया लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को देखने के लिए. और आप हमारी चैनल यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो हमारी लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट. Danish Khan, he is on strike. Inayat Bashir, he is on strike now. After 3 hours, the score is on board 32 and they lost 2 early wickets. Now Junaid Pathan, he is on bowling water to Inayat Bashir. Oh, Inayat Bashir plays another good shot and another 4 for Inayat Bashir, another 4 for TLC Tangmarg. Score moves on 36 runs. Good shot played by Inayat Bashir. एक अच्छी शॉट का मुजाहरा किया इनायत बशीर ने और 4 रन दरकार हुए. TLC Tangmarg, the score goes on 36. They lost 2 wickets. The partnership moves on 17 runs and there is just 8 delivery phase. Wani Akif watching from Bahrampura. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Junaid Pathan on his bowling mark to the batsman Inayat Bashir. TLC, they need one partnership here and this is another Good delivery by Junaid Pathan. This is the dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 36 and they lost 2 wickets. Junaid Pathan. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Inayat Bashir. He is on 23. And Junaid Bashir plays another good shot. And this is another 4 for Junaid Bashir. Inayat Bashir, and this is another 4 for TLC Tangmarak. They need his batsman Inayat Bashir because they lost their early 2 wickets. Now the score moves on 40 and they lost 2 wickets. Junaid Pathan, he is very expensive. He gives 17 runs and he take 1 wicket in 1.3 hour. This is a T20 Super Cup. Tawseef Ali, Inayat Bashir run machine. Thank you Tawseef Ali Sir for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. Tawseef Ali, you always supports me and you always share this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, and you can also subscribe here, Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now the two teams are TLC Tangmarak versus Warriors, and TLC Tangmarak, they win the toss and they decide to bat first. They decided to bat first. After they won the toss and they decided to bat after 3.3 hours, the score on board is 40 runs and they lost 2 wickets. TLC Tangmarak, they need this batsman Inayat Bashir, and the Warriors, they need wickets here. If they take out this team on before 161 second 60, if TLC Tangmarak, they give the target of 200 to Warriors, they need this batsman Inayat Bashir. Now the partnership moves on 25 and they lost early 2 wickets on 40 runs. Now Junaid Pathan to the batsman Inayat Bashir. Junaid, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir plays on 27 runs. Last hope video quality good. Thank you last. Oh, this is another good shot, but at the end very good catch taken by the player. This is end of Inayat Bashir, and this is good wicket for Warriors. They take the wicket of Inayat Bashir. Inayat Bashir loses wicket on 27 runs only, and here is not happy. Inayat Bashir is not happy, and he plays this shot. The fielder of Warriors take a good catch, and this is the end of Inayat Bashir. He goes on 27 and he faced 13 deliveries with the help of 4 fours and 1 huge 6. Now TLC Tangmarak, they lost their 3rd wicket. They lost their early wickets and they lost big wicket of Inayat Bashir. Last hope, Bilal Saab, thank you Last hope for watching this live stream, for your support. Keep share this live stream, and you can also tell me the quality and the voice of this live stream, and you can also support on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. Keep share this live stream, keep support. The score is for TLC is 40 and they lost their early 3 wickets. After 3.4 hours, Junaid Khan, he take his 2nd wicket in 1.4 hours and he give 17 runs. Thank you Last hope for watching this live stream. This is TLC Tangmarak, they won the toss and they elected to bat first. After 3.4 hours, they have only 40 runs on board and they lost their early 3 wickets. आप भी अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए कि आपको क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और आवाज़ हमारी कैसी आप तक पहुंच पा रही है. द न्यू बैट्समैन ऑन क्रीज इज Junaid. He take his 2nd wicket in his 2nd over. TLC Tangmarak, they lost the big wicket of Inayat Bashir. He is out caught by Adhar. Live stream को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the new batsman on crease. Sheikh Sahil is the new batsman. Now he is on strike, and Junaid Pathan on his bowling mark to the new batsman Sheikh Sahil. And this is a good delivery by Junaid Pathan. This is a dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 40 and they lost their early 3 wickets. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Shukratul Bagh ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Abdul Hamid Saab, Kamran Patak, Mir Ubaid. This is a very decent cricket played by the organization of this tournament. disciplined cricket. Very impressive cricket played here at Chukatul Park ground. The two teams are today. They are TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. First, TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 4 hours, the score on board is 40 and they lost their early 3 wickets. Now, Danish Khan, he is on strike now. TLC Tangmarg, they have only 40 runs on board and they lost 3 early wickets. Adhar is on his bowling mark. Good delivery by Adhar. And this is dot delivery. Danish Khan, he is on strike. He is on 4 runs. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 40 and they lost 3 early wickets. Adhar, he is on his bowling mark. Adhar to the batsman Danish Khan. Oh, this is a good shot, but at the end it is a good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 41 and they lost 3 early wickets. Adhar is on his bowling mark to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. He is new batsman on strike. Adhar to Sheikh Sahil. Sheikh Sahil plays a shot. Here is yes no, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 42 run and they lost their 3 early wickets. Inayat Bashir plays a very good knock, but oh, this is a wide delivery. Wide delivery given by the umpire, and with this wide, the score moves on 43 run. Thank you for watching this live stream. Please share this live stream with your friends. And this is Adhar to the batsman and wide and miss 4, buys 4. Now score moves on 48. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Danish Khan for 6. This is first 6 for Danish Khan, and with the 6, the score moves on 54 run. Danish Khan, he moves on 11 runs. Adhar to the batsman Danish Khan, and this is a good delivery, but at the end cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. Score moves on 55. And they lost 3 early wickets. Danish Khan, he moves on 12 runs. Now Sheikh Fazil, he is on strike now. He is on 1 run and he faced 3 deliveries. This is Adhar to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. TLC Tangmarg, they need a big partnership here. They need a big total here. If they, this is another good delivery. Oh, good fielding by the fielders of Warriors. But at the end, the two batsmen take a single. Score moves on after 18 hours. Inayat Bashir goes out on 27 runs, and Danish Khan, he is on 12 run. Samit Bashir, he is on 4 runs. Now after 5 hours, the score on board is 56, and they lost 3 wickets. Adhar completes his first over. He gives 16 runs. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukatulpa ground. The two teams are TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. First TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 5 hours, the score on board is 56 and they lost 3 early wickets. Adhar completes his first over and he gave 16 runs in his first over. The new bowler is on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish Khan. Sihu to Danish Khan. Danish Khan plays another shot, but they take a single. With the single, the score moves on 57. Last hope very good quality. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. तौसीफ अली साहब नेटवर्क इशू यहाँ पे हर वक्त होता है, उसके लिए sorry for the network. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Sihu to the batsman. This is a good shot, but at the end very good fielding. The score remains on 57 and they lost 3 early wickets. Danish Khan, he is on 12 runs in just 10 deliveries. TLC Tangmarg, they need this partnership. Sihu to the batsman Danish. And this is totally no run. Score remains on 57 and they lost 3 wickets. You can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Sihu on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish Khan. And Danish Khan plays a good shot for another 6. Good shot played by Danish Khan. This is another 6. This is the second 6 for Danish Khan. With this 6, the score moves on 63 runs. Danish Khan moves on 18 runs. Now Sihu to the batsman Danish Khan. And this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. The score is 64 on board and they lost 3 early wickets. Danish Khan, he is on 18 runs. He just faced 12 deliveries with the help of 1-4 and 2-6, and this is no run. Score remains on 64 run. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukatulba ground. The two teams, they are TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors. After TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 5.5 hours, the score on board 65. This is this is good catch taken by the wicket keeper. This is another wicket for TLC Tangmarg. They lost their 4th wicket. A very good catch taken by and they lost the wicket of Danish Khan. Danish Khan lost their wicket. He goes on 18 runs. This is Sihu. He takes his first wicket. This is good catch by the wicket keeper. Now 4 batsmen out just on 64 runs after 6 hours. TLC Tangmarg, they need a partnership here if they want to give good target to Warriors. Shot 64. After power play, the score on board is 64 and TLC lost their early 4 wickets. Tariq Nabi Bilal bhai match kahan hai ki team ko hai. This match is between TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors at Chukatulpa ground. Thank you Tariq Nabi sahab for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is the Adhar is the on his bowling mark to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. He's on 3 runs. The new batsman, he's on strike. Junaid Riaz is the new batsman for TLC Tangmarg. Adhar to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. Sheikh Sahil plays another good shot for 6. This is first 6 for Sheikh Sahil. With this 6, the score. तारिक नबी इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को में जुड़ने के लिए शुक्रिया आपका. Score is remaining on 70 and they lost early 4 wickets. Sheikh Sahil, he is on strike. Adhar to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire Ishfaq Ahmed. Here TLC Tangmarg, they need a good partnership here. उनको चाहिए एक पार्टनरशिप, बड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप यहाँ पे. अगर वो 180-170 का टारगेट देंगे, क्योंकि दिस पिच इज बैटिंग पिच हियर. And this is another good delivery by Adhar. The score remains on 71 and they lost their early 4 wickets. This match is between TLC Tangmarg versus Warriors, and today TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 6.3, this is Adu to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 71 and they lost early 4 wickets. अब एक बड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप चाहिए TLC Tangmarg को यहाँ पे. अगर वो 180-170 का टारगेट देने में कामयाब होगी. And this is a good shot, but at the end good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score on board is 72 and they lost 4 wickets. आपको हमारी क्वालिटी, वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है ज़रूरी आप ज़रूर अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. दिस इज़ अनदर गुड फील्डिंग, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुँच रही है, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है, आज का सुहाना दिन है. आज जो 2 टीमें हैं वो TLC Tangmarg versus Blaze Warriors. Inayat Bashir goes on 27, Danish Khan, he goes on 18. Inayat Bashir played initially very well, but lost their wicket on 27 runs. TLC Tangmarg, they lost their 4 early wickets. They have only 73 runs on board after 7 hours. Now they need this partnership here if they want to give a good total to Blaze Warriors. आपको हमारी आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है, हमारी वीडियो क्वालिटी लाइव स्ट्रीम की कैसी आ रही है, प्लीज़ आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. और हमारे फेसबुक चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल इसको फॉलो करिए, और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल. दिस इज़ गुड डिलीवरी बट नो रन, डॉट डिलीवरी. दिस इज Sihu, the new bowler, on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid Riaz. He is on 1 run. He faces 2 deliveries. Sheikh Sahil, he is on 10 run and he faces 10 deliveries. They need here good partnership. They need here big partnership. Sihu to the batsman Junaid. This is another good delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 73 and they lost 4 early wickets here. This is T20 Super Cup played at Shukartul Bagh ground. It is under 19 T20 World 20 Super Cup. This is Sihu to the batsman Junaid Riaz. This is another wicket for TLC Tangmarg. They lost their 5th wicket in the shape of Junaid Riaz. And this is not good cricket played TLC today. Score is 73 on board only and they lost their 5th wicket. This is good wicket taken by Blaze Warriors. Sihu take his 2nd wicket and good bowling by Sihu. He take his second wicket in 1.3 overs and he give only 8 runs. Now the new batsman is on crease. Salman Ashraf is the new batsman. He is on strike now after 7.3 overs. The score is on board is only 73 runs and they lost their early 5 wickets. Now TLC Tangmarg, they need here a big partnership. उनको चाहिए एक बड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप यहाँ पे, अगर वो एक अच्छा सा टोटल विलेज वेरियर्स को देना चाहती है 170 180, क्योंकि ये पिच जो है यहाँ पे पेटिंग पिच है, यहाँ चोटी में है वो 170 180 जो टारगेट दिया जाता है वो आसानी से यहाँ पे चेज होता है इस पिच पे. दिस इज Sihu. He is on his bowling mark to the new batsman Salman Ashraf. He is on strike now. And this is a bounce delivery. No run. Salman Ashraf, he is on strike now. Sihu on his bowling mark to the batsman Salman Ashraf. In TLC, Sihu to the batsman, and this is another good delivery by Sihu. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 73 and they lost their early wickets. Umar, very well played Salman. Thank you Umar Saab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and subscribe there. Keep support, keep share this live stream. And this is TLC Tangmarg. They lost their early 5 wickets. They have only 73 on board. Sihu to the batsman Salman. Salman opens his account with a single. With this single, the score moves on 74 after 8 hours. TLC Tangmarg, they need a big partnership here. They need this batsman Salman. Inayat Bashir lose their wicket on 27. Danish Khan 18. Sheikh Sahil, he loses wicket 5 wickets for TLC Tangmarg on only 74 runs after 8 hours. उमर, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream और अपने आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको वॉइस और क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही वीडियो की. आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और इस फेसबुक पेज को फॉलो करें और यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल इसको भी सब्सक्राइब करें. सलमान प्लेज गुड शॉट. This is first 4 for Salman Ashraf. With this 4, the score moves on 78 run. They TLC, they need here this batsman Salman Ashraf. They need good partnership here. इनको चाहे यहाँ पे छक्के चौके और यहाँ पे एक बड़ी partnership हो जाए देखिए. They will give the target 180 170 to Village Warriors. Now this is another good delivery by the bowler Sham. Sham is on his bowling mark. The score remains on 78. The score remains on 78 run and they lost their early 5 wickets after 8.3 hours. Sham. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. Follow kiya hai brother. Thank you Umar, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Sham to the batsman Salman Ashraf. Salman Ashraf plays a shot, but and this is good wicket for Village Warriors. This is the wicket of Salman Ashraf. Salman Ashraf lost their wicket and he only makes 5 runs. Not good batting today by TLC Tangmarg. They lost their 6th wicket and they have only 79 runs on board. Not good cricket played by TLC Tangmarg. They need big partnership if they want to give good target to Village Warriors. And if अगर हम Village Warriors की बात करें तो उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे. Sham take his first wicket in his first over and he gave only 5 runs. This is the end of Salman Ashraf. TLC Tangmarg, they need stay here. They need a big partnership here if they want to give a total of 150. The score is 79 and they lost 6 wickets after 8.4 hours. This is a good bowling by the bowlers of Blaze Warriors, and they have a good cricket play today. They have impressive cricket and decent cricket. After 8.4 hours, TLC Tangmarag, they lose their early 6 wickets and they have only 79 runs on board. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड कीप शेयर दिस इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं. नाउ 79 on board and they lost early 6 wickets. Now the batsman is on crease is Umar Butt, is the new batsman for TLC. At Sham to the new batsman Umar Butt, and this is a good delivery. After 8.5 hours, the score on board is 79 and they lost their early 6 wickets. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. No, there is some confusion. No white given by the umpire. Here is a miss and sorry from the umpire. No run, no white. After 9 hours, the score on board is 80 and they lost early 6 wickets. Now TLC Tangmarag, they need a big partnership here if they want to give the target of 150-160 to Blaze Warriors. After 9 hours, 80 on board and they lost 6 wickets. Very good bowling by Sham. Next batsman to bat Danish and Faizan and Faisal Farooq and Mir Mohin are the batsmen who are yet to bat. इस फेसबुक पेज को आप फॉलो करिए और लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस इज द न्यू बॉलर, दिस बॉल मार द बैट्समैन उमर बट. दिस इज डॉट डिलीवरी, नो रन. Score remains on 80. Sihu, he is on his bowling mark. He takes only 2 wickets. This is good bowling by the bowler Sihu. The batsman Sheikh Sahil, he is on 10 runs. He faces 12 deliveries. The score remains on 80 and they lost 6 early wickets. Sihu on his bowling mark to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. Sheikh Sahil plays a shot, but at the end, very good fielding. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 81 and they lost 6 early wickets. इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. Umar, okay sir, thank you Umar sir for watching this live stream. You are the fan of Salman Ashraf, but he loses his wicket on 5 runs only. This is a not good cricket play today by TLC Tangmarag. They lost their early 6 wickets and they have only on board 81 runs after 9.3 hours. Now Sihu, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar Butt. Umar Butt plays a shot and this is another wicket for Blaze Warriors. This is another loss for TLC Tangmarag. They lost their 7th wicket in the shape of Umar Butt. Umar Butt goes on tuck. This is not good cricket play today by TLC Tangmarag. They lost their 7th wicket and they have only 81 runs on board. This is Sihu. Sihu is the bowler. He takes his wicket in the shape of Umar Butt. You can see also this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And this is Sihu. He is on his 3rd hour. He takes 3 wickets. Good bowling by Sihu. He gives only 10 runs in 2.4 hours. Now the new batsman for TLC Tangmarag is the new batsman Danish. Now Danish is the new batsman for TLC. They need a big partnership here. इससे पहले भी मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे एक बड़ी पार्टनरशिप चाहिए TLC Tangmarag, क्योंकि they lost their early 7 wickets and they have only 81 runs on board after 9.4 hours. Sihu की तरफ से एक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा 3 विकेट चटकाए और सिर्फ 10 रन खर्च किए। इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें आप, और आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप इसको लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हो, इसको भी सब्सक्राइब करें। नाउ दानिश is the new batsman, he is on strike now. Here is the problem of network. Some issues are here in the network. Sorry for the network. See who is on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और इस पेज को फॉलो करें, और हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हो और इसको भी सब्सक्राइब करें। दिस इज Sihu. He is on his third hour. After 2.4 hours he take 3 wickets and only give 10 runs. यहाँ पे थोड़ा वक्फा, पानी का वक्फा थोड़ा यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पानी का वक्फा। आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में बने रहे। आपका बहुत ही शुक्रिया, आप हर वक्त सपोर्ट करते हो और शेयर करते हो, उसके लिए बहुत ही आपका शुक्रिया। आप हमारे चैनल YouTube चैनल वहाँ पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हो, मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। यहाँ पे इस वक्त जो वक्फा चल रहा है वो पानी का वक्फा चल रहा है। दिस इज T20 Under-19 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulba ground, at the organizing body of this tournament they are Mr. Ubaid Amir, Kamran Bhatt and Abdul Hamid Saab. This is a very good cricket played by the organization body here at Tulbagh Chukar ground Under-19. This is a very decent tournament and impressive and disciplined tournament played by the organizing body Mr. Mir Ubaid, Kamran Bhatt and Abdul Hamid. The two teams they are played today. TLC Tangmarg versus Blaze Warriors. First TLC Tangmarg they win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 9.4 hours they have only 81 runs and they lost their early 7 wicket. Danish is the new batsman for TLC Tangmarg. He is on strike, and Sheikh Sahil he is on 11 runs. He faced 13 deliveries. Sihu is the bowler. He takes 3 wickets for Blaze Warriors. And this is good bowling by Sihu. He gives only 10 runs. खाली 10 रन खर्च करके उसने 3 विकेट चटकाए। काफ़ी अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज सिहू ने। यहाँ पे अगर चाहिए TLC टंगमर को एक बड़ी पार्टनरशिप चाहिए, अगर वो 170 का लक्ष्य देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी तो एक बड़ा लक्ष्य होगा। लेकिन इस वक्त अगर हम बात करें TLC टंगमर की, वो बहुत ही बिखेरती हुई नजर आ रही है इस वक्त, बिकॉज दे हैव ओनली 81 रन्स ऑन बोर्ड एंड दे लॉस्ट देयर अर्ली 7 विकेट्स। यहाँ पे जो ग्राउंड है वो खचाखच भरा हुआ है। यहाँ पे चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड। इस वक्त जो टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है T20 Under-19 टूर्नामेंट एट चुकर तुलबा ग्राउंड। The two teams are TLC Tangmarg versus Blaze Warriors. Now Sihu, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. This is wide and missed by the wicket keeper. This is wide and by 4. The score moves on 86 runs and they lost 7 wickets. Now Sihu on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. Keep share this live stream with your friend Sihu to the batsman Danish. This is another good delivery, but at the end cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 87 runs for the loss of 7 wickets. After 9.5 overs, Sihu on his bowling mark to the batsman Sheikh Sahil. Sheikh Sahil, he is on 11 runs. He faces 13 deliveries. This is another wicket. This is another good delivery by Sihu. This is 4th wicket for Sihu. This is lost for TLC. They lost their 8th wicket. This is good bowling by Sihu. Sihu takes his 4th wicket and he takes the wicket of this is another loss for TLC Tangmarg. They lost their 8th wicket. Sihu completes his 3rd over and he takes 4 wickets. Sweet Nalaik, CSK ने win किया क्या? Thank you Sweet Nalaik sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch CSK win or not. You can also see on my Facebook page Mohammad Anas bin Bilal and on my YouTube channel Mohammad. आप वहाँ पे भी उसको देख सकते हो लाइव स्ट्रीम में CSK ने जीत लिया है या नहीं. आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हो लाइव स्ट्रीम में Mohammad Anas bin Bilal Facebook page and YouTube channel Mohammad Anas bin Bilal. Now the score is after 10 overs is 87 runs and they lost early 8 wickets. क्या TLC टंगमर्ग 140 का लक्ष्य दे पा सकती है प्लीज व्यूअर्स को? ये हमें देखना होगा क्योंकि सिर्फ 2 विकेटें बाकी है TLC टंगमर्ग के. दे हैव ओनली 2 विकेट्स इन हैंड एंड दे हैव ओनली 87 रन्स ऑन बोर्ड आफ्टर 10 ओवर्स. Very good bowling by Sihu. Sihu completes his 3rd over and he take 4 wickets, crucial wickets. Lateef Chopang, thank you for watching this live stream. इसके लिए बहुत ही शुक्रिया लतीफ साहब for watching this and you also supports me. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको कैसी क्वालिटी आ रही है और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. उसके लिए शुक्रिया. अपना प्यार देने के लिए आपका सपोर्ट ज़रूरी है. इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. इस वक्त जो 2 टीमें हैं TLC वर्सेस प्लेज Warriors. TLC Tangmarg, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. After 10 overs, the score on board is only 87 runs and they lost their early 8 wickets. Now, Ehtisham on his bowling mark to the batsman Danish. This is another good delivery by Ehtisham. Ehtisham, he is on his 2nd over. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 87 and they lost 8 early wickets. Ehtisham. Very good fielding by the fielder of Blaze Warriors. And this is another totally no run. Score remains on 87 and they lost early 8 wickets. Very good fielding by Blaze Warriors. Warriors have decent cricket today. Ehtisham to the batsman Danish. This is another good delivery by Ehtisham. This is dot delivery. Score remains on 87 and they lost their early 8 wickets. After 10.3 overs, Ehtisham to Danish. This is another good delivery. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा Ehtisham के दौरान. Good bowling by Ehtisham. Ehtisham to the batsman Danish. This is another good delivery by Ehtisham. Another dot delivery. Score remains on 87. Ehtisham to the batsman Danish. आपको हमारी ये वीडियो की क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख. दिस इज Ehtisham to Danish. Danish another good delivery by Ehtisham. This is end of the over of 11 over. After 11 hours the score is 87 and they lost only. Very good bowling by Sihu. Sihu takes 4 wickets in 3 hours and he gave only 16 runs. Only one batsman Inayat Bashir, he makes only 27 runs for TLC Tangmarg. इस वक्त TLC टंगमर्ग उनको यहाँ पे एक पार्टनरशिप की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि अभी 7 ओवर्स का बाकी है. एक पार्टनरशिप और यहाँ पे अगर टारगेट 170-160 का देना होगा तो यहाँ पे अच्छी बैटिंग करनी होगी. नाउ Sihu, he is on his 4th over to the batsman Fasil Farooq, Danish, Shubham Gill, Mir Saqib. Thank you Mir Saqib sir for watching this live stream. He compromised this Danish with Shubham Gill. This is love for Mir Danish. This is love for Danish by Mir Saqib. Thank you Mir Saqib for watching this live stream. This is Sihu to the batsman Faisal Farooq. And this is another dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 87. They lost 8 early wickets. सिहू ने आज बहुत ही अच्छी गेंदबाजी का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे और अपने नाम 4 विकेट किए. Oh, this is another good delivery by Sihu. This is another dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 87 and they lost early 8 wickets. Faisal Farooq is on strike. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sihu and this is another good delivery by Sihu. This is dot delivery. Score remains on 87 and they lost early 8 wickets after 11.3 hours. Faisal Farooq is on strike. Danish Nazir. Faisal, thank you. Danish, this is a white delivery given by the umpire. With this white, the score moves on 88. Danish Nazir, आपका बहुत ही शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sihu. Very good bowling by Sihu. He is on his 4th over. The score remains on 88 after 11.4 hours and they lost early 8 wickets. Danish Nazir, Faisal Farooq. Sorry, Danish Nazir Saab. This is Faisal Farooq. He is on strike now. Danish Nazir take time. यहाँ पे वक्त लेने का ज़रूरी है TLC टंगमर को क्योंकि अभी उनके पास 6 hours बाकी है. This is a good shot played by Faisal Farooq for a single. The score moves on 89 runs and they lost early 8 wickets after 11.5 hours. This is the last hour for Sihu. This is another good delivery cut at the end, missed by third for 4. This is 4 for Danish, 4 for TLC. They need these runners. They need this partnership if they want to give a target of 150, 140 to Blaze Villiers. Now, after 12 hours, the score on board is 93 and they lost 8 wickets. 21 runs is extra in these runners. Danish Nazir Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. आप अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आपको हमारी क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है. ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए और आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट ज़रूरी है. एहतिशाम on his bowling mark to the batsman Faisal Farooq and this is dot delivery, no run. Danish Nazir, 130 is safe. Tangmar Little Champs, 130 is not safe here because this is batting pitch. At Sham to the batsman Faisal Farooq. This is a wide delivery and missed by the wicket keeper for a wide and by 4. The score moves on. शाह सफ़ी, कितने टूर्नामेंट है इस ग्राउंड में? इस टूर्नामेंट में 2 टूर्नामेंट्स खेले जा रहे हैं. दिस इज अंडर 19 T20 tournament and other tournament is 3rd edition tournament played here. Under 19 village level. Yes, this is village level tournament. Oh, this is another good delivery by Atsham. Wicket for Atsham and wicket for Village Warriors and TLC Tangmar. They lost their 9th wicket in the shape of Danish. This is not good cricket played by Faisal Farooq is out. He only make 1 runs in the shape of Faisal Farooq. TLC Tangmar, they lost their 9th wicket. They have only 99 runs in on board. Atsham take his 2nd wicket in 2.2 overs. This is the 3rd over of Atsham. Shah Saif, how many tournaments are there? Here are only 2 tournaments. First is T20 under 19 tournament and second is 3rd edition T20 tournament. In T20 3rd edition tournament there are 32 teams. In T20 under 19 tournament here are only 16 teams. This is a village level tournament. Sam Bilal, nice bowling. Thank you Sam Bilal sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. At present the 2 teams are TLC Tangmar versus Village Warriors. First TLC Tangmar, they win the toss and they opted to bat first, but not good decision taken by the captain of TLC because they lost their early 9 wickets and this is the last pair on 99 runs after 12.2 overs. At Sham, very good bowling by At Sham. Pare Ejaz, thank you for watching this. Watching from Kolkata. Thank you, Pare Ejaz sahab, for watching this live stream. You always support this and keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal Shaswi Chak. Super King का दूसरा मैच कब है विलेज लेवल का शाह सैफ साहब I didn't know about that. I have no information about that. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this. This is last year for TLC Tangmarg. They have only 99 runs on board. This is end of TLC Tangmarg. They have only 99. They lost 10 wickets. This is good cricket played by Belizeers and they have target of 100 runs only. And TLC Tangmarg, they are gone out on 12.3 hours and they have only 99. They give the target of 100 runs to Belizeers. Now, this is end of standing by TLC Tangmarg. They have